I'm going to show you how to pair and link your mobile receiver with your Mic 2 or Mic 3. The way it comes is set up to automatically pair with the original Mic 1. When this comes on, these lights will flash green here. To switch over to be able to go to a Mic 3 or a Mic 2, what you need to do is change this setting in here. So you double click the right side and it should start flashing blue. Once the light's flashing blue, you can pair it with your receiver. So turn your receiver on, and if this is flashing green, it's already paired with something else. So you need to hold in the pair button and the power button together. Hold those for a couple of seconds, it'll turn blue, and then it'll automatically pair with the receiver. So you can see that this is blue and the first channel is blue on here. So that lets you know that these two are paired and linked together. You can see on the app now that it shows that these two are connected, the 2 and the receiver. And that's all you have to do to connect them on it. And then you can change your settings from there. So that's all it takes to pair the two. If this helped you out at all, please let me know. Thanks.